Hey guys! Today we have so many play-doh surprises to open. And let's open the yellow one. And inside of this yellow surprise is Dora the Explorer. Hi Dora, how are you? And let's open another one. And inside of it, I'm not sure that I know her name. Do you know? Okay, strangers, let's stand close to Dora and we open the pink surprise. And inside of this surprise, I see Jasmine, this prettiest Disney princess. I really like her dress. And now, take a look who is inside of this pink surprise, and inside of it, Minion. Oh, look at him, he's so funny. Let's open yellow surprise. And look here, here is Hello Kitty. Hi Kitty, stand close to Dora. And now we open the orange surprise. Oh, look here, here is Peppa. Peppa, what's with your dress? Did you jump in muddy puddles? Oh, yes. Oh, Peppa, you're as always. And let's open the last surprise. And inside of this surprise, I see Mike Wazowski from the Monster Incorporated movie. Okay, Mike. Take your place here. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.